Guys, Andrew here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable extended lock on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So do a swipe up and go to settings and tap on lock screen. From here you'll find extended lock, so you want to tap on that and it will ask you to enter your PIN, so you just want to enter that. And this is how you basically onboard it. You can add a on body detection, you can do a trusted place, and also add a trusted device. I'm gonna do the trusted place as an example here. So you can tap on the trusted place, then you'll have the option here. It will show you your account, and you can just basically add your address. So you can tap on add a trusted place, and this will detect where you're currently sitting. You can basically choose from the populated locations above below, and if you don't find any one of these locations that really match what you're looking for, you can always move around to where you want that location to be, and you can also use the search above to search for address as well. So once you go ahead and find a location that you want, so let's say this one for example, you just tap on it, then click on OK, and it will add that as a trusted location, and this will enable the trusted location for the extended lock screen.